Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Tech. If your Gmail inbox is packed with thousands of unread emails, don't worry. In this video I'll show you how to delete all your unread emails in just one click. It's super quick, super easy, and we will help you clean up your inbox instantly. Let's get started. So after you have logged in on your Gmail, and basically you have to go over your inbox, and what you basically have to do over here, you just go at the search email part, and then over here you just filter the emails that are unread. So what we write here, is colon unread, and then we click over enter, and this will show all the emails that are unread. And then by clicking over select here, you select all the emails that are on this page. But it's high chances that you don't have only one page of unread emails, but you may have more than that. So normally you can just select the emails of this page and then you click over this recycle bin icon, and then it will delete all the emails that are on this page. But what we can do, how we can do to click and select all those unread emails in one click and then delete all of them directly without going page by page. What we do, you see this filter here on the right. Now by default this is most relevant, but we can change that to most recent. So by clicking over most recent, it will reload again the emails, but we select again over here, and then it will pop up this link here which says select all conversation that match this search. By clicking over here, then you are selecting all the emails even that are not on this page, because in this page it's just showing 50 conversation. It's not only on this page, but all the emails that satisfy the requirement unread. And then after we have done this selection, we just have to click over the delete icon over here or the recycle bin icon, and then it will pop up this window which will tell you confirm this action. This action will affect all the conversation in this search. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. So basically I will just delete everything that is unread on my email mailbox, and they will be gone, all of them. We move some conversation to the trash. We will do the same for any remaining conversation. So basically it will take the time depending how big is my mailbox with unread emails. So basically what you do quickly, you write is unread here at the filter, you select most recent, and then you click over here, select all conversation that match this, and then boom, click over delete, and this will clean up everything. We just do a reload and see if those emails are still there. You're right, so here it is. All the emails now are gone. So some message in trash or spam. All right, so basically that's all that you have to do in order to just delete all your unread emails. You could be spams or it could be promotions emails that you receive every day. Like you can see it in my mailbox, it's crazy how many emails I receive every day with promotions and stuff. But just with these 3 clicks, you delete them, all of them, and you just put them on the trash, and over here you can just empty the trash. Thanks a lot for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel. All the best. Thank you.